North-South cooperation.
President, today we would like to bring your attention to atrocities of Pakistani state agents against the people of Sindh. On September the 28th, in the village of Mاڙي, Jilbáڼي, in Sindh, Pakistan, a notorious agency of Pakistan, ISI, rangers and police together opened fire on poor and peaceful Sindhis. They killed 5 men and many injured. Only the reason behind this killing was that the murdered peasant family held a press conference few days back regarding the Pakistani agencies of harassment. The only sin was that they were Sindhi nationalists. We Sindhis wanted freedom of Sindh from Pakistan through peaceful means of referendum. Mr. President, Pakistani agencies also commit atrocities against Sindhi people through info disappearances. Thousands of Sindhi activists have gone missing since last decade. Pakistan's failure to protect its citizens and safeguard the rights of various communities, corruption, economic decline, and military intervention persist, and human rights violations pushing Pakistan towards an uncertain future. Pakistan now stands a failed state. Our last recourse rests the United Nations and the United Nations Human Rights Council. We propose an alternate path, a referendum for the independence of Sindh, our beloved motherland, known as Sindhu Desh. Thank you, Mr. President.